Hey everyone, Seth here from JSB Home Solutions. Today we are going to explore one of the most serene and refreshing kitchen styles, the coastal kitchen. If you've always wanted a kitchen that feels light, airy, and relaxing, almost like a beachside retreat, then the coastal style might be exactly what you're looking for. Let's dive into how you can create a coastal kitchen that combines beauty, tranquility, and natural charm. A coastal kitchen is defined by its use of light, airy colors, and natural materials. You'll often see soft blues, whites, sandy tones that evoke the feeling of the beach. Beadboard paneling, natural wood accents, and nautical touches like woven baskets or glass lighting are staples that add texture and personality to the space, giving it that unmistakable beachy vibe. So, what makes a kitchen truly coastal? Well, key elements include light colors like whites and soft pastels, as well as natural materials like wood and stone. Beadboard paneling, for example, gives a relaxed, beachy feel to walls or cabinetry. Natural wood accents, whether it's a driftwood-inspired finish or light oak, bring warmth and texture while still maintaining that fresh, airy atmosphere. Materials like quartz or marble and soft, light tones are ideal for countertops. Their light reflective qualities help brighten the space while maintaining the calming, ocean-inspired vibe. Beadboard paneling adds a charming textured look to your walls, and don't forget to incorporate nautical touches like glass, lighting fixtures, rope details, and woven baskets. These accessories subtly remind you of the sea without overpowering the design. Coastal kitchens are not just beautiful, they're also practical. The materials chosen, like durable quartz, countertops, and easy to clean finishes, make the space both functional and stylish. And the light, neutral palette ensures the room always feels fresh, no matter the season. This style creates the perfect environment for casual dining, family gatherings, or simply enjoying a peaceful moment in the kitchen. So, what are the benefits of a coastal kitchen? First, the atmosphere it creates. The light, open feel makes the space welcoming and relaxing, perfect for any home, whether you're living near the water or just want to bring a touch of the beach indoors. The coastal style will transport you every time you walk into the room. Another key benefit is versatility. Coastal kitchens fit seamlessly into a variety of spaces, from beach houses to city apartments. The natural materials and simple design ensure your kitchen will always look timeless and beautiful, and with high quality finishes, it will stand the test of time. So, how do you create your dream coastal kitchen? Here are a few tips to get you started. Use light, airy colors. Opt for whites, soft blues, and sandy neutrals to create a fresh, relaxing atmosphere. Incorporate natural materials. Think about using wood, stone, quartz to bring texture and warmth into the space. Add beadboard paneling. This timeless feature will add a touch of charm, coastal character to your walls or cabinetry. Embrace nautical accents. Subtle accessories like glass lighting, woven baskets, or even a rope pendant light will complete your coastal look. Keep the space open and inviting. Choose open shelving or glass front cabinets to give the kitchen a breezy, effortless feel. Can you see your coastal kitchen coming to life? A coastal kitchen brings together natural materials, light colors, and a laid-back atmosphere, making it a perfect style for creating a welcoming and peaceful space. At JSB Home Solutions, we're here to help you bring that dream to life. Ready to start transforming your kitchen? Schedule a consultation with one of our expert design consultants today, and we'll help you create the light, airy coastal kitchen you've always wanted. Visit JSB Home Solutions for more inspiration and to schedule your consultation. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you soon.